So good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Now we are going to discuss a topic Happy Children's Day. Means we are celebrating Children's Day in our class presentation. Okay. So just we have some kids or we have some students. They will present a Children's Day topic. Okay. So I will invite one by one. They will let you know about means how we celebrate Children's Day and when we celebrate Children's Day. You already know that Children's Day is about to come in the month of November. Means today is 8th of November and Children's Day will be on the 14th of November. Okay. So I will invite children or kids for presenting this topic Children's Day. Okay. They will share their thoughts. First I am inviting Beer. Beer, please come on the stage. Yes. So Veer, first of all, you will introduce yourself in a little, or just you have to start your topic.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Vijan and today I am here to represent a topic on Children's Day. Children's Day is very special and unique day for children. It is celebrated on the 14th November every year and it is celebrated as the birthday of our India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji very friendly with children. That's why we celebrate Children's Day on their birthday. This day represents the love of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for children, and in all schools a program is organized, and all students open a stall in the schools. Stalls in the school, and some students are also go for a trip on this day. That's all.
Veer has told you about in a good manner. Means some schools are go on the trip on this day. So actually some schools are organize some competitions and all. Okay, Children's Day is the biggest festival for the children in schools. Okay, next I am inviting Aradhya. Please come on the stage. You have to come one by one. Yes.
Good afternoon everyone. I am presenting a topic of Children's Day. Children's Day is the festival of children and on this day children is happy and joyful, and on this day birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he is 11th president of India. We call Chacha Nehru, and children day and we call Children Day Bal Divas also, and Jawaharlal Nehru ji loves children very much, and he is so honest person. And on this day, children get some stalls and make our creativity, and school distribute gift to children, and some students some students wear new clothes and very happy on this day. And this is a special it is a special day for children, and children respect our teacher, and and school organize some functions, and and
Okay.
children play also, and make our creativity, and
Okay,
show
that's all.
it. Thank you. That's all about.
So Arad has presented in a very good manner, and Arad has told you about that. Actually, we all love Chacha Nehru. Okay, Chacha Nehru is the favorite of all childrens. Okay, next I am inviting Abhisha.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Avisha. I am presenting a topic of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. 14 November. Children's Day is celebrated on birthday Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. It is also called Bal Divas. Children's Day is happy day Children's Day, happy day to all children. To all children. On this day, the program of the school, example, dolls, dance, and fancy dress competition. Fancy dress competition. Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru loves all children. Thank you. That's all about me.
Okay. So Havisha has played very good manner. Okay. Havisha has presented very good manner. Just next I'm inviting Harsh. Harsh, please come on the stage. First I'm inviting small kids. Okay. Yes.
Good afternoon everyone and all my dear friends. My name is Harsh Rawat. I read in class 4. Today is my topic name is Children Day. Day is happy day for all the childrens. It is celebrate 14 November. It is celebrate all over India. It is also called Bal Divas. It is birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Good, very good. If you are a children or just you want to prepare for your Children's Day speech, so you can go through this video completely. Okay, please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel also. Next I am inviting Manas.
First of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. My name is Manas. Today I am presenting a topic of Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day at 14 November in every year, and it is also called Bal Divas. And on this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, because I celebrate Children's Day, and so Jawaharlal Nehru loves children very much, and so many children that are stalls at school, and on this day school organize some programs, for example fancy competition and stalls. And Children's Day is a happy day for the children, and our country depends on our children, and it's a happy day filled with joyful for the children, and all children are happy, and it's a day for the children. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Okay. Manas said that means our country is totally dependent on our children. Okay. Actually, if our children future will be bright, so our country future will be bright. Okay. It's a very good point. Next, I am inviting Honey.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Hani Dahiria. I am presenting a topic Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is also known Bal Divas. It is a happy day for children. It is the best day for children. मतलब on this day organized are many programs in school. He loved very much for children Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very much. Okay. That's all about by Honey. Next, I am inviting Chitrans. Please come on the stage. Actually, sometimes students are lose their confidence here. Okay.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Sam. I study in 7th standard. Today I am here to presenting a topic of Children's Day. So let's start. First of all, we have to pray for Jawaharlal Nehru because he gave us Children's Day. So let's start. Children's Day is the happiest day for children because the school teachers are not give the homework to children can enjoy. The Children's Day is made to made for the enjoyments for children. In some schools, in some schools, buses go on a trip, and some schools children operate his shops such as snack shop, टिक्की, पानी की पूरी, टिक्की, आलू की टिक्की, एक्सेट्रा.
So that's all about by Chitrans. Okay, next I'm inviting Naitik.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of you. My name is Nitik Agrawal, and my topic name is Children's Day. Children's Day is the best day for children. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was a great friendly for children, and who was the first Prime Minister of India. It is celebrated on 14th November in every year. On this day, many programs organized in the schools, and all the children are very happy. And all the children are very happy on this day. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the very like in children, and children like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru very much. And he was the great prime minister, great prime minister and India. That's all my topic.
Next I'm inviting Dikendra.
Hello everyone, my name is Dikandar. I am presenting a topic of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. It is also known as Bal Divas. It is the birth of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved the children very much. That's all about my topic.
Okay, next Rohit.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rosrawat. I am presenting the topic of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November in every year. So in this day, birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he is the first Prime Minister of India, and he loves children very much. So children they are nice. So all school are organized many fair in our school, and some students are organized stall in our school in our mini fair, and all children are enjoy in school, and all that's allowed.
So Rohit said that some schools are organized mini fairs for the students, happiness and joyfulness. In this fair, actually, they allow for students, means they will allow for stalls and any other extra things. Okay. So just next I'm inviting Harshita.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshita Oza. My presenting our topic name is Children's Day. Children's Day is a very special day for all the children. It is also called Bal Divas. He loved children very much. Jawaharlal Nehru. It is celebrated on 14 November every year. It is the special day for Children's Day. That's all about my topic.
Harshita had forgot, no issue. Next I'm inviting Aryan.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arad. My topic is Children's Day. Children's Day is a very happy. It is celebrated on 14. It is the birth of Pandit Jawaharlal. It is Prime Minister of India. That's all about my topic.
Okay, next. Shyam. Come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ityam Rawat. Present the topic of Children Day. Children Day is 14 every year day. Children Day is Children Day is Children Day is Children Day.
No issue. Next, I am inviting Mandeep. Actually, some students are lose their confidence.
My name is Mandeep Rawat. My topic children days. Children Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. It is the birthday anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Heather. Today I study presentation of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. It's also known as Bal Divas. It is a very happy day for Chacha Nehru. He loved us very much. He was popularity known as Chacha Nehru. That's all about.
Good evening to all of you. I am Rituraj Ayoria and I am presenting a topic of Children Day. Children Day is a very special day of all children. It is a celebrated 14 November. On this day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is born. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He loved very much. He believed that children is future of our nation. On this day, pay tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. That's all about my topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pallam Misra. Today I am presenting our topic Children Day. Children Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is also known as Bal Divas. It is the very happy day for the student. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He was popularly known as Chacha Nehru. On this day, many programs are organized in school. The future of the country depend on future. That's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshita Ojha. My present topic name is Children's Day. Children's Day is a very special day for all the children. It is celebrated on 14 November every year. He loved children very much. Thank you, Dr.
Everyone, I am Sumitra from 8th standard. Today I will present a topic of Children Day. Children Day is celebrated on 14 November. It is a very happiest day for children. Children Day is a celebrate birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru. This is remind us the rights and duties of children. On this day, many programs organized in our schools. Chacha Nehru is also known as the Chacha Nehru. It is known as the Bal Divas. Please like, subscribe and share. That's all about.